Unpacking the phrase, packing my lunch. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase you might hear in everyday English, packing my lunch. Understanding phrases like this can really help you in grasping the practical aspects of English. So, let's dive in and unpack what this phrase means. Packing my lunch might sound straightforward, but it's packed with meaning. This phrase is typically used to describe the action of preparing and putting a lunch into a bag or container, usually done before going to work, school, or a trip. It involves selecting food items and securely placing them in a lunchbox or similar container. This action is often part of a daily routine. Packing. This verb is about placing items into a container. When we say packing, it implies organizing and storing things, which in this case are food items. This is a possessive pronoun. It shows that the lunch belongs to the speaker. Lunch, a meal eaten in the middle of the day. It's typically lighter than dinner but can vary depending on culture and personal preference. In many English-speaking cultures, packing a lunch is a common practice. It's seen as a cost-effective and healthy alternative to buying food. It also reflects a person's routine or lifestyle, indicating perhaps a busy schedule or a preference for homemade meals. Let's see how this phrase can be used in everyday conversation. 1. I'm packing my lunch for school tomorrow. 2. Do you often pack your lunch, or do you prefer eating out? 3. Packing my lunch helps me save money and eat healthier. And that's a wrap on packing my lunch. We hope this video has helped clarify this common English phrase and its usage in everyday life. Remember, understanding such phrases enhances your practical language skills and helps you blend into English-speaking cultures more seamlessly. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing.